Curricular Lab changed the rules of teaching, and this is for me the most important aspects of the new scenario. That demands to the teachers to change the way they structure their teaching curriculums, and change completely the way the students face the learning process of international trade. And this is what makes something very, very important and significant for Virtual Lab, that we have to rebuild all the elements which were involved in the training aspects for good. I mean, this is not, this will enrich very much the learning experience. And for Virtual Lab is not just the way of learning, it's in fact an internship. And when it was born in the YEPMED project, the European Commission has accepted the work of the students in the Virtual Lab as internships in real companies, because the simulation is so real and so close to reality that in fact is the same work as they were working on a freight forwarder company.